Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to uncle thanking him for a birthday present. First write examination hall, write the name of your city and then write the date. Respected uncle, I have received a parcel just now. It contains a wristwatch. You have sent it to me as my birthday present. It is really a very costly gift. It is very beautiful. It keeps correct time. It is very useful. It will help me to work in time. It will help me in studies. I shall work hard. I am very thankful to you for this favor. I promise you to take care of it. Yours affectionately, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.